Hey friends, I hope you all are doing good. I'm Sunita and I welcome you on my channel Lovable Plants. Today I'll talk about this exotic and rare plant Thinanthe setosa. This plant is also known as Never Never plant and prayer plant. The silver and green striped foliage of this plant makes for a beautiful display. This made even more dramatic when it folds its leaves up at night, showing off the red undersides of its leaves. Because this plant folds its leaves up at night and appears to be like praying, that's why this plant is called praying plant. These plants are flowering plant, but they seldom produce flower. Maybe that is why they are called Never Never plant. Thinanthe are ground cover plants from tropical forests of Brazil. So these plants thrive in warm position with medium filtered to soft light. If the leaves appear to be fading or losing their patterning and color, you may have them in too bright position. In that case, move them to somewhere a little more sheltered place. Always keep these plants away from heating, cooling units as they are very sensitive to cold or hot drafts. They also do not like sudden temperature fluctuations. It is important to keep up a regular watering routine for these plants. During summer, you want to keep the soil moist but not soggy. To monitor this, you can always check the soil with your fingers, and if the top 5 cm of potting mix feels particularly wet, let it dry out for longer. Overwatering can lead to fungal issues or root rot in this plant. You can water this plant a couple of times a week, but always after testing the soil first. During winter, when the plant is not in a growing phase, you should reduce watering frequency. Always use filtered water for this plant as tap water contains lots of salts and elements which will harm the plant. This plant likes nutrient-rich, well-draining potting soil. You can take equal parts of potting soil, peat and perlite. These plants grow well in 13 to 29 degrees Celsius. These plants grow in Brazilian forest, so they thrive in high humidity. Especially if we have heaters, aircon or draughty windows and door in the house, then this dries out the air and can quickly damage these plants. Some tips for increasing humidity include grouping plants together or placing pots on a pebble tray. You can also buy a small humidifier online and place it in amongst these rainforest friends. You can also do misting using filtered water. You can feed these plants on monthly basis with liquid fertilizer. Please fertilize them during the growing season, which is from spring to summer. During winter, they don't need fertilizer as they are not in their growing phase. You can propagate this plant easily by division of rooted offshoots or by cuttings. In spring, take cutting 4 to 5 inches long with 3 or 4 leaves and trim off any leaf stalk before planting it in the soil. Propagation should be done during the growing season, which is spring to summer. You can do propagation at the beginning of the spring. You can do repotting of this plant during spring season once every 2 years. You can take one size bigger pot if the roots have consumed all the space with the present pot. Once a month, you can wipe down the plant leaves using a damp cloth to clean away any dust that has collected. Dust may prevent the leaves from breathing. It is completely normal for older leaves to fade in color and brown off as they age. This plant doesn't need pruning. You can prune off any damaged or dying leaves using a sharp pair of scissors so that the plant can put more energy into the newer, healthier growth. This plant has no serious pest and disease problems. Watch for mealybugs, spider mites and aphids. In case it is attacked by these pests, please do neem oil spray by adding 2-3 ml neem oil in 1 liter water. Tinanthe plant is slightly poisonous, so please keep them at a place where they are out of reach of kids and pets. This is all about Tinanthe setosa. In case you want to know more about this beautiful plant, then I have given few links in the description. Please go through these. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.